Hi everybody. So my Weber grill is broken. It's only got one burner working. I'm gonna get into it to troubleshoot it right now. I'm Jay, this is Jay's how-to channel, and well, let's just get right into the video and I'll teach you how to troubleshoot your Weber grill. Okay, let's wear latex gloves to make sure that get our hands dirty. And now let's light this grill. Oh, you can see the propane's not traveling down the rest of the pipe. Okay, let's get a steel wire brush. There it goes. The center burner's not working. Let's test it with this. Oh, there it goes. Okay. All right, let's clean up all of the holes. Oh, there it goes, jumped over there. Okay, now I'm disassembling the grill. This is a propane flame cross member. I'm going to take this cross member apart and I'm going to clean it up with a steel wire brush and some dish soap. All right, those are all clogged. Okay, now blowing the water off. Now coming back in with the cross member. Don't forget to put the flame guards over the burners because it will cause
debris to fall onto the burners and fill in the holes. All right, let's light the grill and then turn on the other two burners.
Okay, there it goes. You can see it.
Let's install the cast iron grills.
Cheers, everybody.